Good morning, Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2016 Bentley Continental GTC Speed. Overall, this car is in outstanding condition. I'm going to go around, see if there's anything that I can find on it that I need to point out. I don't think there's much of anything. Go ahead and demonstrate that the top works as it should. And we will go around and just take a nice close-up look at everything on the car. All right, let's start off here on the front bumper. The front bumper is in very good condition. There's not a whole lot of rock pecking on it. I mean, if we look really closely, you got a little bit of rock pecking, like very, very small. And I'm using a ballpoint pen to put those spots into perspective, but that's really about all. Everything down on the lower part is in great condition. It's got some bugs here. That wipes right off. The headlamps are in good shape. There's no issues there. Looking across the front hood, I don't see any rock pecks to point out here. We'll come down and we'll start off and go down here the driver's side of the car. You can see the wheel is in good condition. There's no curb spots. Tires, a lot of tread on the tires. I don't see anything on the front fender worth noting. Going down the driver's door, nothing to point out here. Nothing on the lower rocker. Looking at the rear fender, there's nothing to point out. The rear wheel, we have no curb spots on the rear wheel. You can see the top is in great condition. There's no wear spots back here like most of them have. I believe this top has been replaced, which is common on these, but this top looks like it's brand new. It's in excellent condition. Coming around to the rear of the car, nothing to note on the trunk or the rear bumper. Down low, everything looks really good. Around here to the passenger side. On the rear fender, there's nothing to note here. No curb spots on the rear wheel. Again, you can see tire tread is great. Go down the passenger side. Nothing to note on the door or the lower rocker. Front fender is great. Nothing here to note. And on the wheel, no curb spots on these wheels. Again, take a look at the top from this side. Top is in great shape. Nothing to note or point out there. All right, we're going to take a look at the interior. The interior on this car is in absolutely spectacular condition. It's just gorgeous with the black, with the red accents and the red stitching. It's got the Mulliner diamond cross stitch seats. You can see the dash is in great shape. Looks like there's a little bit of wrinkling on that side. We'll point that out when we go to that side. You can see all this is super nice. Bolsters are in great shape. Just get the reflection off of them. Take a look at the rear seats. You can see the back of the seats in great shape. You can see the back seats themselves. Back to its position. See, current miles are 7,939 miles. You have no fault codes, no warning lights or anything. All the piano wood is in great shape. See the back area when the top is down is all in great condition. Take a look at the door panel of the passenger passenger side, it's really in good condition. The seats themselves are in great shape. Got a little bit of wrinkling in the leather right here, but very minimal. Just that's something common we see on these just over time and from the heat. But this is very minimal. Again, see, everything is just really nice on the inside. See, the rear seats are in great shape. Back of the seats in great shape. Push it back, you can see it returns to its position properly when you push the button. Again, just see how nice everything in here is. Take a look here in the rear trunk area. You can see we've got the owner's manual here. Have the windscreen and its case. Usually we don't see the windscreens because most people take them out of the cars and forget to put them back in when they sell or trade, but this has the windscreen with the case. Tow hook is there, the wheel locking lug is there, the screwdriver's up in there, and the other tools that come with this. Alright, take a quick look underneath the hood. Everything is in great shape and nice and clean under here. Take a quick circle back around the car with the top down. It's just an absolutely beautiful example. Alright, we're going to go for a quick spin around the block so you can see that the car drives as it should. You can see again there's no check engine lights or any other warning lights. You can see the acceleration is nice and smooth, the car's not pulling. No vibration in the steering wheel. It just feels just like it should. You can see here we are in West Palm Beach. Go ahead and turn on the AC. I know you can't feel it, but the AC is blowing nice and cold. Car just drives absolutely spectacular. No issues at all.